I'm Tommy Dollar from Bainbridge, Georgia. We have a boat named Two Sand Dollars, me and my wife, Audrey. It's a 560 Sky Galeon that we purchased in January this year of 2022 that we ordered last year at a boat show in Fort Myers, Florida. We're looking for a quality brand, and we've had a lot of different ideas of what we wanted, but we don't need a gigantic boat. We want a boat that functions well with us on the Gulf Coast.
My name is Audrey Dollar, and my favorite feature on the boat is that the kitchen and the dining area is open to his driving station. So this way we can actually be together and still have conversation, is what I love about it.
I like the openness from the control panel all the way back to the kitchen. We can see all the way out of the boat. We also have the sky bridge, and we can go up and see down into the water. We never had a sky bridge, or we never had we always had hard top coops. And so we like the availability of being able to see and have different control stations.
We love every trip we get to have on the boat because we just love the water. That's our thing, and we enjoy being together. And we met on a boat in 1981. We just love being together on the boat.
We see a lot of good things with Galeon, and we've been able to expand on what we liked as a boater. We've been boating, me and my wife, since we first met in 1981 in Panama City Beach. So we knew what we wanted to see, and we found that in a Galeon.